Hey NoobTubers, welcome back again for another episode of what I am investing in with the crowdfunding. This time we have another Indiegogo project, and I believe this is the PowerElf mini power station. As you can see here, it says caution, do not load, transport, damage. Do not load or transport package if damaged. It's lithium-ion batteries. So I'm assuming this is what I invested in, which is the PowerElf. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Knife cutter right here. Right here. It's hard to get open. Oops. Tore the bag right there. Okay. Kind of tore the bag a little bit. I think the box a little bit, but we should be good. So we have one box right here. And then we have the actual power station right here. So it is the power station. So let's see what's in the smaller box first. This is the PowerElf PS220C IP64 waterproof portable power station. And this is just a manual. Does a Type C, USB 5 volt 2.1 amps, another USB 5 volt 2.1 amps, a DC output, LED light switch, input 19 volts. 7 is the power indicator, 8 is the main power button, 9 is the LED. The waterproof cover is here. There's a hook. Car socket is number 12, and an LED light, which is number 13. This is the instructions here. Did not put anything on the unit. Waterproof. Please far away from children. Do not disassemble. You can fully charge it if you have you can also charge it by solar panel. So don't leave it in the car. And it's made by iforway, and I believe there might be an app for it. And different power levels. I wish instead of the bars they would do a LED which actually shows numbers, but I guess that would cost more money. You can still order this on the Indiegogo website, and I have not checked, but I will check to see if you can order it on the iforway.com website. So let's get started. Here you just have a string, I guess, to hold it for the loop, and this is how you would charge it. As you can see here, gives you a status light here, iforway, and then you would just plug it in here. Yep, this is the battery charger for it. Put that down right here. Let's take off the packaging. Let's see if we can open this. So this seems like it'll be good if you're into camping, sorry. Very good for camping. This battery is like around 50,000 milliamp, so you can charge quite a number of things. And as you can see here, on top it has the iforway, and then you have here is the car charger or car outlook. You would put in and then you would lock it. And this is the light right here, and on top right here, as you can see, here's the DC output, the light button right here, power button right here, input to USB, and the type C right there. As you can see here, look around here. So let's see if it has at least some type of charge. Oh, it does have a charge. Ooh, as you can see here, the light is pretty bright. Like I said, mostly used for camping. Probably. It's not too heavy. It looks heavy, but it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. And this is where you would probably, right here is where you would put the string in if you wanted to hold it or attach it to a backpack or something. Oh, it does. If you hit the light, I think that's an SOS. It even has a red color. Flashing SOS for red too. Just like the flashlight that I just recently reviewed. So you see here, LED right here, power's on. It has 2 bars charged right here, so it's 50% charged. It come with it. But I'll have to test it out to see if it actually works and how well it works. But that's pretty much it. It's a pretty straightforward battery. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Thought it might be a little bit smaller. It's not too bad though. It will work. And I believe right here you can put it right here to do the solar charging if you had some solar panels. It's pretty tight fit, so it does seem pretty waterproof. But that's it, NoobTubers. If you have any questions or comments, please leave, and please subscribe. Once again, this is the iforway PowerElf. Have a good night, YouTubers.